Hi, my name is Muhammad Anur Aman bin Muhammad Nawi. My number matrix is F25A 1560C. Question is A. Describe how the genes are linked in the trihybrid parent. First of all, determine the gene linkage by finding the two heights of spring on 1761 and 7073. Represent our parental types. From this, one parental chromosome carries the mutant allele K, while the other chromosome carries the mutant allele E and CD. This gives us the final original linkage arrangement of Ke plus CD plus over K plus ECD.
My name Fakrul Iman bin Amin, F25A1575. For question B is to estimate the distance between the genes. I use the formula of RF, number of recombinant, and total progeny. How to find a total progeny? We are going to plus everything from the question. The total progeny that we get is 4000. Next is to find the distance between E and CD. We plus everything between the E and CD and we'll get the 280. So we use the formula of number of recombinants plus total progeny and we got the answer of 7.00%. So the distance is 7.00 cm. Next, we're going to find the distance between K and E. Same formula we use, number of recombinant and total progeny. We get a total of 200. Then, after the use of formula, we can get the distance of 5.00%, which means it's 5.00 cm. That's it.
Hello, my name is Hazika Nurjamati Zahran. My matric number is F25A1C12. Next, for question C, we need to calculate the genetic interference using the formula I equal 1 minus C. First, we need to observe DCO, which is the actual total data from the DCO classes. 6 plus 8 equal 14. I get 6 and 8 from the question, which is 6 kidney, ebony, and 8 cardinal. Second, we calculate the theoretical expected DCO based on the gene distance we found in question B, which is 0.07 times 0.05 times 4000, giving us 14 as well. When we divide the observed by the expected, we get the coefficient of coincidence C equal 1. Finally, 1 minus 1 equals 0. In conclusion, the interference value is 0, which means that crossing over in both regions occurs completely independently without affecting each other. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aisyah Akilah binti Zali, matric number F25A1613. Next, I will present the solution of part D, which is to find the expected number of double crossover or DCO. To get this number, we must multiply the recombination frequency of both regions. The formula is RF of K to E multiplied by RF of E to CD, and then multiply by the total progeny. Let us plug our values into this formula. 0.05 times 0.07 times 4000. After calculate, we get a final expected total of 14 flies. Now, please look at the table on slide 7. We need to split the total expected number of 14 into the two specific DCO phenotype class. Since both classes have an equal probability of occurring, we divide 14 by 2. Therefore, the expected number for the Kiner ebony phenotype is 7, and for the cardinal phenotype is also 7. Finally, this calculation helps us to answer part C regarding interference From the question data, our observed DCO is also 14 since 6 plus 8 equal 14. Because our observed and expected number are exactly the same, the coefficient of coincidence is 1, making the inference value 0. This proves that a crossover in the first region does not inhibit or affect a crossover in the second regions. This is all for our group presentation. Thank you very much.